These tiny little pieces of nutrition aren't just healthy, but can also act as a natural remedy against many health conditions. In fact, studies show that nuts can be very effective against high blood pressure, inflammation, infections, diabetes, and many types of cancers. Wonder why? Because they give you high-quality plant-based protein, fiber, healthy fats, antioxidants, and many vitamins and minerals that can help you stay overall healthy. Diabetic people especially have to be very careful about their calorie intake and food choices. And many people think that nuts may not be good for diabetics because they are calorie-dense. But as with other diet choices, moderation is key. So if you can keep the promise of not eating them too much, then let's learn about some of the best nuts for diabetics and see what makes them so incredible and how many of them you can eat safely. Without any further delay, let's begin. Number 1. Almonds. If you're looking for an addition to your diet that packs a healthy punch, a small serving of almonds from time to time can make a big difference. They are generally low in carbs, high in healthy fats, and rich in many vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, vitamin B6, iron, calcium, and magnesium, all of which help to normalize your blood pressure and protect you from heart disease and strokes. And well, if you have diabetes, almonds can be a great choice because they have a low glycemic index, which means they won't cause rapid spikes in your blood sugar levels. Plus, they are packed with fiber, which further slows down the digestion of carbs and sugars, resulting in a slow but steady supply of energy to keep you going. The combination of fiber, proteins, and healthy fats makes almonds extremely satisfying, as they tend to make you feel full for a long time and aid in weight loss. Even better, almonds contain almost 67% of your average daily needs for magnesium. And studies show that magnesium helps to enhance insulin sensitivity and balance blood sugar levels. So how many almonds can you eat daily? For a good balance of benefits without adding too many calories or carbohydrates, experts recommended having about 1 ounce or approximately 28 grams of almonds as a serving. This is roughly a small handful or about 23 almonds. But remember, portion control is vital since almonds are calorie-dense. Number 2. Walnuts. If you want to improve your heart health, your gut health, and your ability to think, focus, and remember things all at the same time, then walnuts are a pretty good option. In fact, a 2022 study involving older people showed that eating a balanced diet including walnuts significantly reduced the participants' levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol. Another study showed that including walnuts in a balanced diet can improve overall cognitive performance and reduce the risk of developing neurodegenerative conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's. Walnuts are also a rich source of fiber, healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, all of which help you lose extra weight, stay energetic, improve insulin sensitivity, and aid in blood sugar control. As for portion size, it's recommended to have about 1 ounce of walnuts as a serving. This is roughly a small handful, which is about 14 halves. But remember, when it comes to managing diabetes, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's crucial to work with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized nutrition plan that takes into account your specific needs and goals. Number 3. Hazelnuts. Hazelnuts, like many other nuts, are packed with healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These fats can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your cells to respond to insulin and manage blood sugar effectively. Diabetic people often have a higher risk of developing high triglyceride levels in their arteries, but the healthy fats in hazelnuts help to reduce these triglyceride levels, reduce LDL or bad cholesterol, and increase HDL or good cholesterol in your arteries, reducing your risk of heart disease and strokes. In fact, studies show that hazelnuts can improve glycemic control and reduce the risk of heart disease in people with type 2 diabetes. So how many hazelnuts can you eat? Experts say that you can comfortably have 1 serving of hazelnuts per day, which is 1 ounce, or roughly 21 hazelnuts. Number 4. Pistachios. Probably the best thing about them is that they are packed with many antioxidants, such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and gamma-tocopherol. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which quite often are underlying factors in both diabetes and heart disease. So, pistachios can reduce your risk of developing these chronic diseases in the first place. Pistachios can still be a good option even if you have diabetes and heart disease. Why? Because they have a low glycemic index and contain fiber, which can be really helpful to manage your blood sugar. In fact, a study published in the journal Diabetes Care discovered that incorporating pistachios into a diabetic diet reduced post-meal blood sugar levels. Plus, they contain healthy fats, monounsaturated fats to be more specific, so they help reduce your LDL cholesterol and contribute to overall heart health. Pistachios also contain L-arginine, which is basically a precursor to nitric oxide, which helps to relax your blood vessels and improves blood flow. So how many of them can you eat? You can conveniently consume 1 to 2 ounces of pistachios per day, which comprises roughly 49 to 98 kernels. Number 5. Cashews. Cashews are a great source of magnesium, an essential mineral for heart health and diabetes management. The magnesium content in a typical serving of cashews, which is about 1 ounce or 28 grams, or 18 to 20 cashews, provides approximately 74 milligrams of magnesium. That makes up for over 18% of your average daily needs. Magnesium is among the most essential trace minerals for our body. It plays a key role in maintaining regular heart rhythm and preventing arrhythmias or irregular heartbeats. It also helps relax blood vessels and works with other antioxidants to reduce inflammation in your body, including your arteries. For diabetic people, magnesium plays a major role in glucose metabolism, and it helps insulin work more effectively, giving you better control over your blood sugar levels. Magnesium also helps to prevent diabetic neuropathy, which is a very common complication of diabetes, and often shows up in symptoms like tingling or numbness in hands and feet, fatigue, headaches, and cognitive health issues. Besides magnesium, cashews are also a good source of healthy fats and fiber. Plus, they make you feel full and satisfied for a long time without depriving you of energy. Experts recommended that diabetics and heart patients can consume around 1 to 2 ounces of cashews daily, which is roughly equivalent to 16 to 32 kernels. Number 6. Pecans. They are a great source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and magnesium, just like the other kinds of healthy nuts you have seen so far. They also contain vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant and is crucial for your heart health and brain health. Plus, they contain L-arginine, which helps to dilate your blood vessels and regulate your blood pressure. Another impressive thing about pecans is that they contain plant sterols. When you consume plant sterols, they compete with dietary cholesterol for absorption in the small intestine. Since plant sterols have a structure similar to cholesterol, your body takes them for cholesterol and absorbs them in place of dietary cholesterol. Eventually, it prevents the cholesterol in your diet from entering your bloodstream, including the bad kind that could wreak havoc on your heart and arteries. You can include about 1 to 1.5 ounces, or approximately 28 to 42 grams, or about 19 to 20 whole pecan halves. But since pecans and all other nuts that you've seen in this video are calorie-dense, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar response before and after you eat them to ensure that they don't go too heavy on you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.